Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Facebook posts public. First, navigate to your privacy settings and set your default audience for future posts to public. For existing posts, simply click the three dots, select Edit Audience, and choose Public. This ensures your content is visible to everyone, including people not connected to you on Facebook, maximizing its potential reach for likes. To attract more public likes, focus on creating compelling content. High-quality photos and short, impactful videos tend to perform exceptionally well. Incorporate relevant hashtags to help new audiences discover your posts. Also, encourage interaction by asking questions or running polls. This boosts engagement and signals to Facebook that your content is valuable, leading to wider distribution. Engagement is key to growing your public likes. Make sure to respond to comments and messages promptly, fostering a sense of community. Consider tagging relevant pages or friends to expand your post's immediate reach. Additionally, share your public Facebook posts on other social media platforms to drive external traffic and attract a broader audience to your content. Understanding Facebook's algorithm can significantly boost your public likes. The platform prioritizes content that generates high engagement, such as comments, shares, and reactions. Posting consistently at times when your audience is most active can improve visibility. Remember, live videos often achieve a higher organic reach, making them a powerful tool for connecting with a wider public audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.